Sometimes creating 3D sketches for complex weldment structures such as this gazebo can be tedious and time consuming. In this tech tip, I'm going to show you how you can utilize solid body geometry to quickly create complex three-dimensional sketches. Now I'm going to go ahead and start a new part, and I'm just going to start creating a sketch on the top plane here. I'm going to use my polygon geometry, and we'll just rough out this shape, the kind of overall shape of our gazebo. And I'll make this 120 inches in diameter. I'll go ahead and extrude this out 144, so we'll make this 12 feet tall in total. Now, again, typically when you're creating weldments, you'll start with a 3D sketch, but sometimes 3D sketching can be very complicated. So again, I'm going to start with a solid body here. I'll set this chamfer to say 36 inches and the angle to 45 degrees. Now, I've got the basic shape of my gazebo as a solid body. I'm going to simply click Control A, and that highlights all of the edges of the geometry here. And now I'm going to go to a 3D sketch, and with those edges still highlighted, I'm going to simply click Convert Entities. I can confirm this sketch, and now I'm going to use the Delete Body command, and we'll delete this body. And now I have a 3D sketch of the basic profile of my gazebo, and I can start using weldments and other structural members to start laying out this design.